town of Onagawa and Ogatsu is a seaside across the mountain from the city of Ishinomaki. Because of the terrain of Rias is surrounded by the mountains, the height of the tsunami reached 25.4 meters at most. One of the few land was devastating. The height of 80 centimeters away was closing in on nuclear power plant in Onagawa was revealed later tsunami. Demolition work preceded Onagawa. The government and railway, life infrastructure of coastal areas has been destroyed. A new building was also started. Building of its site has been left as a document in the side of the harbor under construction. Ogatsu town I visited this time was showing bustle product building of the temporary building. But a vacant lot remains many other. And the people in the community that had damage said to be most serious in this disaster, there is a temporary housing to those who cannot move an individual currently gather. The only area where snow piles up. That there is a building that is in place after the earthquake was short-lived happiness, few months. Although it is thin wall, but in private you got in an effort finally. Everyone had thought so, and it is patience after 2 years here. However, soil was devastating, not be restored easily. It takes 5 years just to secure land habitable. It is not uncommon for such a story. Some people reason for living and family and also property and work has lost all. Some people dying in temporary housing without being seen. Now that 2 years have passed, what for? What they are now? But there are also people who support and not give up until the very end in the world. Even as soon as the earthquake from happening, people began to forget this destination also. Daily life, from the world around. First thing in your body, which in the starting line. That administrative and that future. And that support the mind to more than anything, to live. Even rubble out of the way. People's minds are not cleared up easily. However, to work together as much as possible in adversity. People say Kijina in Japan about it.